Can you run multiple dropshipping stores without burning out? Absolutely. The catch: it takes dedication and smart strategies. Imagine expanding into niche markets or increasing your product offerings. With multiple stores, you create new sales channels and reach diverse customers. This means higher profits. What are the main benefits? You get risk distribution, niche market expansion, and product testing opportunities. Picture managing issues in one store while others thrive and validating products quickly. What sets you apart? Our unique system maximizes efficiency, minimizes burnout, and boosts revenue. Ready to dive in? Start with one store, document processes, and scale gradually. Don't overwhelm yourself. Embrace automation tools and consider hiring virtual assistants. Act now. Join us and make your dropshipping journey not just manageable, but highly profitable. Your future awaits.